Hey guys, did you ever want to do videos? Get really good at videos, to shoot your behind the scenes, to go on YouTube. Videos is all about attracting attention and it is the hottest media right now. I just created a new course on how to grow your YouTube channel, which is a story on how I went from 0 to 600,000 followers over a few years on YouTube. I'll give you all my secrets. It is part of the video bundle 5-day deal starting right now at noon today, Pacific time. It's only going to be on for 5 days. You can get it. It's nowhere else to be found. This year's 5-day deal on video is crazy. Let me show you why. All right, this year main bundle for video is crazy. I'm a big fan of Film Ride. I've been watching them for 5 years, and you get that complete movie making bundle, which is a whole bunch of sound effects. They have check this out. They created LUTs, so you can just put this LUTs, to get the Avengers look, the Joker look, the Lighthouse, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, Knives Out, Shazam. I mean, they know they're the best in the world on making LUTs. Just that I would pay $89 for. You get, Shockwave VFX effects. You get the slime stock assets. You get a whole bunch of music. I mean, it's crazy. If you want to go video, it's really cool. You get this incredible course by Parker Wahlberg on Seamless Video Pro, learning how to light interiors, high-end stock music, introduction to video by the guys at F-Stoppers, a whole great, a $300 music pack, how to learn, Premiere, how to learn Final Cut, how to create video that converts for YouTube ads, how to use Twitter for filmmakers. I mean, so much. You get my new brain course, which you can only get in this pack, which is how to grow your YouTube channel from how I went from 0 to 600,000 followers. I mean, and on and on and on and on for $89. It's $2,700 worth of product. Click the link. It's the best video bundle I have ever seen. It's only available for 5 days. Get it before it's over.